Hey everyone, Michael Kavardia here. And in today's video, I want to be speaking to you about why there isn't any money in personal training or any other field in the fitness industry, to be very honest with you, right? So if you know anyone that's considering a career in the fitness industry, or if you are a professional in the fitness industry, then this video is extremely important for you. Now, truth be told, I used to be a personal trainer for 3 years, right in the very beginning of my career. 5 years ago, I was just like you, watching this video at this moment in time. I was extremely enthusiastic, I wanted to work with clients, and I wanted to help people get in the best shape of their lives. Now, you could be a yoga instructor, you could be a biokineticist, you could be any other individual in the fitness industry or in this specific space, right? And I can assure you that there's no money for you at all. Now, this is quite a controversial topic, and many people are going to be blowing at me saying that you don't know what you're speaking about. But let me ask you a simple question. How many of you have enough money on a monthly basis in order to put away and invest, in order to save, in order to be able to do the luxurious things that you want to do? Take your wife, your husband, whoever it might be out for a really great dinner, right? Invest in your kids' education. If you don't have kids, look to invest into your future. How many of you have access funds at the end of the month in order to be able to do that? Not many, right? More so, how many of you live from paycheck to paycheck, barely scraping through at the end of the month? And now you know exactly why I say there is no money in personal training or in the fitness industry. Because truth be told, this is not something that they teach you in the fitness institutions, and this is not something that you learn while you're studying for your diploma, right? Because sure, you might know how to build a specific skill, like learn how to work with clients, you might know how to work and, do whatever it might be with a specific body. But just think of yourself as a baker, right? Baking the best bread possible to mankind. Who's going to know about it, and how important is it going to be if you don't know how to sell that bread, right? How important is it going to be if you don't know how to attract clients or customers through to your bakery at the end of the day and sell them the bread that you are making? It's going to have no importance and no relevance at all. And this is something that the fitness institutions don't teach you, right? They teach you how to deliver a skill. They teach you how to work on that skill, but they never teach you how to sell that service at the end of the day. And this is why there's no money in the fitness industry at all. Because we have a bunch of professionals who don't know anything about business, who don't understand the core foundations and principles of business. And I mean marketing, I mean pricing, I mean crafting an offer and really putting it out in your market. I mean choosing a niche. These are all specific, crucial elements in business that you guys don't know about, and that is why you'd fail to make money, right? Now, truth be told, there's another concept to that as well, and that is most of you run your business in an offline manner, right? Since 2020, if I'm not mistaken, when COVID hit, the entire world has changed. But I truly do believe that COVID has only sped up the inevitable. What we're witnessing now is things that were going to happen maybe 5 or 10 years from now, but it's currently happening right at this moment due to COVID. So many of you complain that this is not the best time in the fitness industry, this is not the best time in personal training, not the best time for yoga instructors, not the best time for biokineticists. It's the best time that could ever be in history. You want to know why? Because now, more than ever, people are engaged in the age of information. People want to learn how to grow. People want to learn how to become better. People want information that is going to move them forward. But the only problem is you don't know that because you don't understand the market. You don't know that because you don't have an online business. And you don't know that because when people search for specific services in this specific industry, you don't show up at the end of the day because you are not marketing yourself correctly, and therefore, how exactly are you expecting to make any money? So the way that you're running your business is just not working for you. Living from paycheck to paycheck every month is not going to do it, right? If you truly do want to be something great, if you truly want to leave a legacy behind, and if you truly do want to serve your clients, then you have to put your emphasis on business. You have to stop focusing on the fitness side of your business, and you have to focus on the business side of your business, the things that is going to help you move your business forward at the end of the day, because that's the only way that you will grow. That's the only way that you will break free from financial strain, right? From the poverty that you currently live in, living from paycheck to paycheck, wondering where your next client is going to come from, or wondering how you're going to afford your basic needs at the end of the month, let alone anything else, right? Like the luxuries that you want, or the savings, or the investments. None of those things are going to be possible unless you have enough money. Now, There are some of you that might say, hey, but it's not all about the money, right? I'm doing it because I really enjoy doing this. And sure, it is. You might do it because you enjoy doing it. I do this because I love it as well. But at the end of the day, money makes the world go round. Because without money, you can't even eat. Without money, you can't live. You need money in order to be able to survive on earth. Because, truth be told, life costs money. So if you don't have enough money, how exactly are you expecting to live your life? It's just not possible at all. So if you think that you don't need money and you're doing this because you just enjoy working with your clients, which should be the main purpose driving you, right? And then the money comes after. But if you think you don't need any money, then give all your money away. Or you know what? Don't touch your bank account or your bank cards for the next 2 or 3 weeks and see how possible it is for you to live. See how possible it is for you to eat. See how possible it is for you to stay in communication with anyone, right? This video that you're watching right at this moment in time is costing you money even though you don't think about it. So this is so important for anyone interested in the fitness industry. If you're looking at a career in fitness, if you're looking at a career in something to do with this industry, right? Or if you are already in this industry, then this should be a wake-up call for you, because the way that you have been taught how to do business, or the way that you're currently learning how to do business in the fitness institutions, is not working at all. And this is why you stay poor. This is why there isn't any money in this industry, and this is why the professionals in this industry are not where they should be. Because every single thing about running business in that outdated, archaic approach or method is not working any longer. We in the 21st century, people want to consume information in different forms, right? Like you watching this YouTube video, you're consuming it online. So people need to be in an online space in order to be able to make lots and lots of money. You can have a location independent business as well that will make way more money than you currently make in your location based business. So here's the perfect example. Let's just say you are in a poorer area, right? And there's a gym in that poorer area, and now you think because of that area that you're in, you'll never be able to charge 2x your current base because nobody will be able to afford that. Now, while that might be true, what happens if you could not even focus on that gym and you can attract clients in other places in the country, other places that are wealthier? Forget other places in the specific country. Let's move worldwide. What if you could work with clients in a worldwide manner, right? You could work with clients from anywhere in the world, from your very living room, right? With a stable internet connection, a great phone, and the knowledge that you have in your head. How would that change your business for you? What if you had so much money that at the end of the month, you never had to worry about where your next client is going to come from? You never had to worry about how you're going to be able to afford your expenses, your rent, the luxuries that you want, the savings that you need to do, the investments for your future. Do you want to be 50 or 60 and still having to wear sweatpants to work, wondering when is it going to ever end, being broke, never being able to own a home, never being able to own a car? Or do you want to work towards financial freedom? Do you want to move forward where the world is moving, right? Because people are technologically advanced, because the world is continuously evolving in a technology basis on a daily basis, right? So in order to be able to move forward, in order to be able to remain relevant, you have to be able to grow with that. And the only way to do that is to get the skills needed in order to grow your business. Now, My Fitness Brain has designed a coaching program called Project X. And in Project X, we teach you how to take your offline business and move it into an online business. Everything you need to know about marketing, setting up systems, setting foundations, advertising, you name it, we teach you every single in-depth detail that you need in order to operate and run a highly profitable fitness business in the 21st century. And therefore, you'll be able to break away from that financial strain and from poverty and move into a state of abundance, move into a state where you have so many clients, you're serving so many people, and you're actually being paid for what you are worth. And that's the only way you will grow in this industry, because without it, you'll just see that you run into a brick wall all the time. You'll continuously rely on the seasonal fluctuational changes. You'll continuously rely on other people coming in, going out, dropping in, dropping out. You'll never have control of your business. If you want control of your business, then you must start today. You must take the control by learning about business, by implementing what you have learned into your business and moving along with the technological age where we currently are at this moment in time. So, if you'd like to learn how to do that, if you'd like to learn exactly how to take your offline business and move it into a highly profitable online business, then this video is for you. Just down below in the description, you'll find a link to apply to Project X, to apply to MyFitnessBrain. You can book a call with me or any of my team members, and we'll be more than glad to explain this entire process to you, explain how it's going to help you in your business and what we're going to do for you, see where you're going wrong, and then come up with a solution for you to move your business forward. Goodbye to financial strain and hello to financial freedom. So, if you are a fitness professional battling in this industry, then smash that like button, hit comment, and share this video with other personal trainers, other fitness professionals like yoga instructors or biokineticists, or whoever you are in this fitness industry, and let them know that the way that they're currently learning how to do business, the way that they're currently being taught about this industry is a dying way. There is definitely a better way, and it starts right here. So click on the link in the description below, make that call, book that appointment. It's completely for free, and we'll teach you exactly how to build a highly profitable online fitness business. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video next week.